Mediaket shows you how to backup and restore your modem configuration. The modem is TP-Link TD-W8968 version 4. First part, how to create a backup file of your modem configuration. Type the following IP, 192.168.1.1, and press Enter key. Type here, username, admin, and default password, admin. Use your password, if you have already changed the default password, and click on Login. Click on Management. And click on Settings. Click on Export. Click on Backup Settings button. Click OK to save your config file. Create a new folder in your desktop, where you want to save your configuration backup file, and rename it. For example, use your modem router model name. Click on Save to finish. The modem configuration backup file has been saved successfully. If there is a problem, you can restore the modem configuration from this backup file. And this is what we will do in the second part. Second part, how to restore a backup file of your modem configuration. Connect to the modem as it showed in the first part. Click on Management. And click on Settings. Click on Import submenu. Click Browse button to select Backup File. Select Backup Settings file. Click Open. Click on Import Settings button. Please be patient, this will take a moment. The modem configuration has been successfully restored. We have come to the end of this Mediaket tutorial. Thanks for following. Do not forget to subscribe to the Mediaket Tutorials channel.